Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Las Vegas at National, and we're going to start off. This is actually the executive aisle here. I was thinking it was the Emerald aisle. That Mustang convertible at the beginning has about 45,000 miles on it, which is probably why it's in the aisle. There seems to be less convertibles. Maybe there's more demand, so they're not showing up in the aisle as much. But if you have a reservation, they do have some here. And pretty good selection today. So, and I didn't even see this yet. We got a BMW here. There's a Cadillac, and I've seen an Audi and a Volvo in the aisle today. This one I didn't check miles. Some of these cars take a while for the mileage to come up, and if it doesn't, then we don't know. Oh, this is the I. Yeah, 11,000, almost 12,000 miles on this. And we got somebody coming in hot. 330E. Oh, is this the plug-in one, guys? Oh yeah, it is too. Yeah, there you go. Okay. All right, continuing on. And the shortage of sedans these days. It seems to be a lot of Accords coming into the fleet. We got a Tacoma. And got Nissan, Hyundais, Compass. And here's the Audi, and this is the regular aisle. How long are we gonna take? Well, this one comes up pretty quick. 9,500 miles. This got to be the Q3. Oh, Q5. Oh, geez, wow. And then this is a 4x4E Jeep. It's got to be the Grand Cherokee here. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, you never know what you'll find. So the Q5 in the regular aisle. Pretty good selection today. It's a Thursday in Vegas here. A couple larger SUVs in the regular aisle. I think they're just low on sedans and cars. Although there's quite a few Malibus. And then we got that Tacoma way down there. And here's the Cadillac. It's about 8,000 or 9,000 miles. Did we go in this one? Oh boy, guys, I'm forgetting already. We got some Malibus over here. There's a bunch of new Camrys. There's a really nice blue one with a black trim, I think it was, earlier. And let's go along. Maybe we'll see it over here. A bunch of Malibus. Got a Nissan. SR trim on this one. Compass. Trailhawk. Got another Nissan here. There's that, we'll try and get over there. There's that blue Camry. This looks like the Ford Escape. A bunch of Malibus. And just smaller cars here, guys, down the other side. Yeah, let's go down the other side. I don't know if we do the other side. Might as well. Oh, there's a Buick. I haven't seen any of these yet. Encore GX ST. So it's kind of nice that they're getting some of the higher trims on some of these. I think the ST is a higher trim. And more of a sporty trim. It's got nice seats in it. Compact SUV. We got another of these Camrys. A Jeep. Malibu. Oh boy, if you want a Malibu, today's your day. I don't know if GM is still making these or not. Some of these have a sunroof, so if you're looking for one, you might want to do that. They have different wheels on them. Okay, let's get over to this last aisle here. And, oh yeah, the Volvo's still there. There you can kind of see a peak of premier selection. Some more cars coming in, and we got Nissan. Here's this Volvo. I tried to get the mileage on it, but it wasn't coming up. I like the blue on both of these. So the Volvo is kind of like a darker blue. It's kind of hard with the lighting here to see. And then the lighter blue on the Camry. S60 B5, all-wheel drive. And has it got the bass audio? It's got the sunroof. Yeah, it's got the bass audio, but still really nice. I'll have to take a look at one of these again sometime, rent one. With the Camaros going away, I'll have to start renting SUVs and sedans. And what do we got over here, guys? A couple more in the front row. And I think that's going to wrap it up. Yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.